Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is verbs. Now I am gonna teach you the verbs. What are the verbs, students? Whenever we are talking about verbs, the first question, the first thing which comes in our mind are that verbs are some action. Verbs are related to any action. Actually, verbs are that which in which we are doing something, in which someone is doing something. Let's explore what are the verbs, guys. Okay, here are some content materials which we are studying in this presentation, in this class. Okay, there is the definition of the verbs. What are the verbs? How we can use the verbs in our daily life. So the example is that a verb is the word which describe the action in a sentence. Okay, whenever we are talking about the verbs, so verbs are those things, those word in which we are describing the action of any person, of someone. Okay, just like here are the some examples of verbs. Just like we are talking about first example, I play football. Okay, in this example, play football, I play football. I is the subject, football is the object, and play, what we are doing right now, playing. What we are doing, what we are talking about right now, playing. So play is the verb. Okay, any word which describe any action is something, just not just like the verb. It is the verb. You have to identify it by the verb, because in any sentence, in any word in which we are describing any action, that is the verb. Okay, and the second example, they skip quickly. In this sentence, skip is the verb, because we are skipping something, we are discontinue something, we are try to stop something. Okay, whenever we are doing any action, so that is the verb. Okay, in another example, we are talking about we eat spaghetti. Okay, what we are doing right now, we eat spaghetti. What is the action in this example? Eat is the example, eat is the verb. Okay, and the fourth example, Bob is 7 today. Okay, in this example, is the verb, because not only the action is the verb, well, although all the linking verbs, all the which words which are connecting two words together is also the verb. I will explain you. Okay, first of all, we are talking about any action word. Who is the verb? It tells us what someone or something is doing. Just like in this picture, what you are saying, what you are watching, this girl is try to dance. Okay, so how can we say that Alex dances well? Okay, so dances is the verb. What Alex do? Alex dances. Okay, so whenever we are talking about any action, that is the verb. Okay, can you tell me about some verbs which you can see in this picture? Name any 5 actions you can see in this picture. Just like in this picture, you are seeing some kids are playing, some kids are skating, some kids are drawing, some kids are skipping rope. So you have to identify some verbs in this picture. Can you do it for me, students? Okay, you have only 2 minutes to identify in this picture and quickly give me answers. Okay, kindly give me answers what you can see in this picture. Okay, in this picture, students, you have to circle the verbs which matches these pictures. Okay, Just like in this picture, a boy is try to running or is sprinting, so you have to identify the word which describe this picture. So in the following options you have to identify, just like sprinted. Okay, sprinted is used to running a boy. Okay, and in the second picture, a girl is try to singing, a girl is try to perform anything, so you have to identify the verb. Okay, so in the following options, the most correct answer is the perform, so the verb is the perform. You have to circle the verb. Okay, try to do it by yourself, so you can easily identify the verbs and you can register them in your mind. Okay, what the verb tell us, students? What the verb tell us? What the verb say us? What the verb define us? What is the verb? I already told you verbs are the action verbs. Okay, so what is the function of the verb? Verb is the thing which describe what a person or thing does, what a person or thing doing right now or in the past or in the future. Okay, first example, Ali laughs. Ali laughs. Okay, Ali हंसता है. द क्लॉक स्ट्राइक्स. जो क्लॉक है वो बजती है. मारिया वर्क्स हार्ड. ओके, मारिया बहुत मेहनत करती है, बहुत वर्क हार्ड करती है. ओके, इन द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल अली लाफ्स, अली हंसता है. हंसना, लाफिंग. लाफिंग इज द वर्ब इन दैट सेंटेंस. Okay, and the clock strikes, strike is the verb because clock is tied to striking. And Maria works hard, and in this sentence works is the action which the Maria doing right now. Okay, and the second thing which the verb doing is what is done to a person or a thing. Okay, Sarah was scolded. Just like Sarah is going to be scolded by someone else. Whenever we are doing something or whenever we are doing by any person to ourselves, okay, it is also the verb. Okay, scolded by someone else. Okay, so Sarah is scolded by someone else. Scolded, उसके ऊपर चिल्लाया जा रहा है. Okay, तो it's obvious she was scolded by someone else, so scolded is the verb in this sentence. The window is broken. Okay, obviously we can't break our window by ourselves, so window is broken by anyone else. So the verb in this sentence you can easily identify. These students, can you tell me what is the verb in this sentence? Okay, hurry up, try to be. Okay, I got your answer. So the verb in the sentence is broken. Yes, you are correct. Okay, there are some examples. I am very happy, I am very glad you are taking interest in this type of topics. This is the very interesting topics, students. Okay, there are the some examples of what are the types of verbs. Okay, there is not only the action verb, where there are lots of types of verbs. It can be action verb, it can be transitive verb, it can be intransitive verb, it can be regular verbs, it can be irregular, it can be linking verbs. Okay, as we talked about earlier, action verbs are verbs that express actions. Just like you can talk about any eating, you can talk about giving, taking, walking, and any possession. Whenever you are talking about any possession, you are claiming that thing is yours. You are trying to tell us about your possession. Okay, in that situation you can also use the action verbs. Okay, there are two examples of action verbs. It can be a transitive or intransitive. Okay, here is the definition of transitive verb. Transitive verbs are the action verbs that have an object to receive that action. Whenever students, we are talking about any object. What is the object? Object is the thing on which the subject is doing something. Okay, if you are cooking something, you have to need any object to cook that thing, na? So in the first example, I baked some cookies. Okay, so cookies are the object. Okay, and baked is the verb, transitive verb, because in that situation, in that sentence, we have object on which the subject works. Okay, in the second example, I rode the bicycle. Okay, I rode the bicycle. Whenever we are talking about any riding, whenever we are talking about any ridings, driving something, just like you are driving the car. Car is the object and driving is the subject. Transitive verb. Transitive verb. Okay, because in that situation, in that sentence, you have object to do something. Okay, and in the third sentence, I moved the chair. Chair is the object and moved is the transitive verb. Okay, intransitive verbs are action verbs, but unlike transitive verbs, they do not have an object for receiving the action, because whenever we are talking about any verb, we supposed to add on some objects on which the subject try to work. Okay, and receiving that action which we are doing right now. So in the intransitive verbs, we don't have such situations, we don't have such objects, we are just talking about subject and intransitive verb. Just like I laughed. In your daily routine, you are also hearing that such type of sentences. I laughed, I cried. Okay, I fall down. In the I fall down, in that situation, in that sentence, there is no need any object. Okay, I eat. Okay, I am not asking to you what you are eating. I am asking, are you eating? Yes, you are. Just like you are giving me the answer, yes, I am eating. Okay, in that situations, there is no need to add on any object. Just like here are the some examples. I laughed, I cried, the book fell, the horse galloped. Okay, the sun set. Regular verbs. Okay, whenever we are talking about the regular verbs are the verbs whose past tense and past participles are formed by adding ad or ed to the end of the verb. Just like you always know about it, you always think about it. We have this form of verbs. Just like first form is the present tense, a present verb form, and the second form is the past tense, and the third form is also the past participle. Okay, whenever we are talking about the past participles, past tenses, we have to enroll, we have to evaluate, we have to evolve the first form, which is the base form also, which we can say the base form also. We have to convert it into the past tense by adding something else, by adding some words, by adding some letters. Okay, just like in the base form, we have to identify that we have to add only ed, and then you have the next form. Just like you got past tense or past participle by just adding ed with that basic form of verb. Just like you can see in that column, in that box, in that picture, roll is the first form, is the base form, and whenever you are converting into the past tense or a past participle, you can easily add only the ed word and you got the new verb form. Okay, students. Okay, second example, plan. Okay, you can convert it by adding just ed, and when you add only ed with that base form, you got the new form of verb, which is the past tense or a past participle, by adding just ed with that base form. Okay, and the third example, look. you can easily convert it by adding only ed with that basic form, and you got the new past tense or past participle form. Looked. Okay, in that picture you can easily see that there are the some examples of regular verbs. Regular verbs are those verbs in which we can only convert the basic form to the past participle or a past tense by adding just ed in the end of that form. Okay, just in the first picture you are seeing talked. Okay, whenever you are talking about any past thing, you can use talk with ed. Laughed, pulled, traveled, watched. Just like you are trying to tell me, ma'am, I watched the tv last night. In that situation you are talking about your past. Whenever you are talking about your past, you have to add some basic past participles. So you have to recognize that okay, what are the past participle forms and what forms are likely to use in that situations, are likely to use in that situations or sentences. Okay, and the cooked. Whenever we are talking about irregular verbs are the verbs in which there is not the addition of d and ed whenever you are converted into the past tense or a past participle. Okay, just like first basic form is break. Okay, whenever you are converting into the past tense, broke, and the third past participle is broken. Okay, first form is the first form, second form is the broke, and the third form is the broken. Okay, just like you can easily see in that examples, there is no addition of ed or a ad or just like d to add or convert into the past tense. Okay, you have to identify that which is the irregular verbs and which is the regular verbs. Okay, and whenever you are converting basic form just like break and you are converting into the past tense or a past participle, so you have to identify and you have to convert it by easily learning them. You have to learn them. Okay, until you are not you don't learn these examples, you can't identify. You are always doing, I am seeing that I was see that type of students who are always try to add ed with every form of verb and try to convert it into the past tense with the help of ed. No, it's not the correct way to convert it into the past tense or a past participle. Students, are you getting my point? Okay, try to think over it and then tell me the answer. Okay, and the second example is run. Okay, ran, and the third form of verb is run again. Okay, you have to memorize it. You have to memorize that whole column. Okay, by tomorrow I will check it on. Okay, come, came, come. Okay, come is the first form, came is the second form, and the third form of verb is come. Swim, swam, swum. Just like third form is swum, second form is swam, and the first basic form is swim. Fly, flew, flown. Just like you are talking about the basic form fly and the past tense, whenever you are converted into the past tense, flew, and the third form of verb is flown. Okay, and buy, bought. Okay, bought and bought are both same, will remain same in the past tense or a past participle. Just like you are talking about the second form of verb and third form of verb, both will remain same. Okay, in that picture you can easily identify, just like we are talking about eat. Okay, if you are trying to tell me, ma'am, I have eaten that pizza last night. Okay, just that's mean you are talking about any perfect tense, any past tense. Okay, eaten is the third form of verb which we can use in the perfect tenses. I will tell you the tenses in any other class. Okay, so don't worry about it, but at that time you have to identify which form of verb is first, and add is the second form of verb, and eaten is the third form of verb. Okay, let's move to other picture. Build. Okay, in the past tense, in the second form of and third form will remain same for build, and in the fly, flew, flown. Okay, flew and flown will remain different from each other in that case. Wake, woke, woken. Okay, in that case also all former verbs are different from each other. Swim, swam, swam. In that case all former verbs are different from each other, you can easily see them. Okay, catch, caught, caught. Okay, where in that picture you are seeing that boy is trying to catch butterfly. Okay, you can, if you are trying to say in that case, you are trying to say that case in the past, you can easily say that that boy caught, try to caught that butterfly. Okay, okay, and that type at that time we are talking about linking verbs. What are the linking verbs, students? Are you heard about linking verbs? Okay, I am telling you, don't worry about it. Okay, whenever we are talking about connection, whenever we are talking about linking some words, linking something, we are using linking verbs. Okay, just like you can see in our first example, my Mr. Bohar is our teacher. Okay, whenever we are connecting two types of things, two types of sentences, two types of words, Mr. Bohar and teacher, our teacher, Mr. Bohar, both are the words, you have to connect them. Okay, both are the subjects. Mr. Bohar is the subject and teacher is the subject. Okay, you have to connect them. Whenever you are connecting subjects with each other, you can use the linking verbs. Linking verbs, just like you have the example of is the linking verb in this sentence. Okay, and in the second sentence, that dog looks miserable. Okay, that dog. Okay, that dog is the subject and miserable is the adjective. Okay, you are talking about any dog's quality. Okay, so you are connecting the adjective with the with the subject, so you can use the linking verb here. Looks is the linking verb which connecting the subject with the adjective. Okay, can you get my point? Are you getting my point, students? Can you give me any example of linking verb? Try, let's try and give me any one example or a true example. Okay, here are the some sentences in which you can easily identify, you can easily circle, underline the verbs, and by the end of this presentation you will be able to identify the linking verbs, transitive, intransitive, action verbs, inshallah. Okay, first example, the leaves blew in the wind. Okay, can you tell me, students, what is the verb in between in this sentence? Blew. Okay, leaves blew in the wind. Blew, just like, what is the meaning of blew? Try to give me answer, students. What is the meaning of blew? Okay, blew का मतलब क्या है? जब भी आप ये बात कर रहे हैं कि कोई चीज़ मतलब उसमें उड़ रही है, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा फोर्स के साथ, जैसे आप whenever you are talking about any autumn season, you are seeing that the leaves are blew in the wind, you can say that type of sentence. Blew is the verb over here in that sentence. Okay, second example, the lights shone bright. Okay, what is the light do? Light shone. Okay, bright. Shone is the verb over here. She rides her bike to school each day. Riding, whenever you are doing something, you are doing action over here. Riding is the verb, so rides is the verb over this sentence. Tom's car door broke. Okay, broke is the verb. Okay, what is the verb over here? Tom's car door. What will happen with the Tom's car door? Tom's car door is broken. So you can use the broke as the verb in this sentence. He drove his new car to work. Okay. In this sentence, we are also using drove, which is the form of verb drive. Second form of verb of drive. Okay. So drove is the form of verb. Drove is the verb over here. 3 dogs jumped up and down. Okay. In this sentence, what is the verb? Tell me, students. Try to give me answer. Okay. Jumped is the jumped is the verb over here. Sarah screamed very loudly. Sarah is trying to very loud. Okay, that's why she is screaming. Okay, scream is the verb over here. Okay. I am hoping students you are getting my point, you are getting the concepts, and you are getting the types of verbs. And in the next class we will definitely review the whole PPT, the whole presentation, and then I will asking to you some questions. Okay. And if you have any queries regarding this topic, regarding any type of verb, any transitive or intransitive verb, regular verbs, okay, try to remember that thing, memorize that thing. If verb is the action verb, verb can be the linking verb, verb can be the transitive, if which require any object, and verb can be the intransitive, which don't require any object, and verb can be the linking verb, which is try to connect subject with adjectives and subject with the subject. Okay. Try to review that whole PPT, and then you will be able to understand the concepts of verbs and types of verbs. Okay. If you have any queries, kindly DM me. I will give you answer definitely, inshallah. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.